If you have been an AirPower fan and super disappointed that Apple never officially unveiled one and canceled that project, we recently did a video in regards to the company named Zens, who came out with some pretty neat charging solutions. This was the main one that we looked at recently that we unboxed. We have something a little cooler today and more in line with AirPower. We've never seen this before. I know it's been out for a little while, but we finally got our hands on this new Zens dock with that clear base. As you can see here, look how awesome this looks. It looks phenomenal. I am super excited to unbox this and take a look at what it can do. It has 16 charging coils, 30 watt output, which means you can do two 15 watt devices at any time, placing it anywhere on this device. Let's go ahead and unbox it and take a quick look. This is the Zens Liberty 16 coil wireless charger. It gives you that freedom that AirPower always promised, where you can put your charging devices, AirPods, iPhones, whatever you need, Android devices that are Qi 2 compatible on top of here anywhere you wish. And it's clear, it's see-through, it shows you those coils, which for nerds like us, I think this is amazing. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Also down below, I'll throw up those affiliate links if you want to pick one of these up. I think it's a great addition to any home, and it is a looker for sure. So like I said, this does fast charge either iPhones or Samsung devices like it says here. It should also work for any Qi 2 compatible device for fast charging. And they do have an accessory here for another $20 extra that can plug into the top and let you use an Apple Watch charger as well. So yeah, 16 charging coils, 30 watt output, USB-A charging port, and a USB-C power adapter that is 60 watts in the box, and you do get 3 years of support, as well as high quality tempered glass on top so you can see through. Enough talking about it, let's be about it. Let's open this baby right up, and all you need to do for that is just to slide that out of the way, and let's open it. Oh yeah. Okay, here it is right on display up front. As you can see up top here, it says accessories are down below. Let me go ahead and lift this up, and you can see here what you're going to get. And just like if you didn't see our other Zens unboxing video for that double stack charger, you do have universal charging ports. If you choose to travel, it gives you those adapters right here as well. And then your main charging brick is right here. This is all very well packaged. There's that USB Type-C power delivery, 60 watts. It does have a foldable traditional charger for us here in the US, and a nice braided USB-C to USB-C cable. Looks like it's very lengthy also. That should be nice if you want to place this and hide the cable somewhere. And a cleaning cloth as well that says Zens on it. Looks like you're getting some reading material here. Not too worried about this. We'll just pluck it to the side. And the star of the show, boom, that Zens Liberty charger. Looks like it has some fans right here to make sure everything runs cool, but how awesome is this? These coils will allow you to put your phone anywhere you want on here. You don't have to line them up specifically. Little piece of plastic over it. Pull that right off. Yeah. What I'm going to do is go ahead and grab a couple devices, plug this in, and show you exactly how it works. Again, also up top here, it's covered, but this is where you can use that USB-A to Apple Watch adapter that they sell for, like I said, about 20 bucks on Amazon. This thing is super skinny, looks great. Let's plug this in. We'll be right back. All right, so once you get the USB Type-C power cord plugged in, it is easy as grabbing whatever device you might have that can wirelessly charge and simply throwing it on. And I'm sure you heard the bing and can see that green notification light. It is up and running. Then say you have your iPhone that you want to throw on there, you can just set it in any sort of orientation, and it is now charging both devices. Again, what I like that's pretty cool about this, again, it's not Apple specific. You can see we have our S25 Ultra right here. Even if we just wanted to place it down in a different position, you can see it says fully charged here. It recognized it, and it is at 100% charge. Now, if you want to charge two devices, you can obviously move it, and you can see it says fully charged here. Here is our iPhone 16e. We're just going to place there as well, and you can see it kicked on to charge that also. If you want to do any sort of random combinations, like we said, you can do that. And it's as easy as just plugging and playing, or I should say setting and forgetting, because that's all you need to do. In a rush, instead of having to line anything up, just throw it down and you are going to be good to go. I think this looks really cool, and again, there is a non-transparent version as well if you don't like seeing the coils. But if you were an AirPower fan and disappointed that Apple never released it, Zens is here to the rescue, and I really do like the look of this device. I can't stress that enough. It has some heft to it, you know it's built well, and if you're not sure of who this Zens brand is, Apple endorses them themselves by selling that other Zen Quattro wireless charger in stores, so they have some faith in this brand as well. I do wish there were some like LED notifications on the front here so you can actually see what's going on. I believe there might be an LED back here on the back here, but nothing else really to see on this device. It's that easy, guys. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. Is this going to be your next charging pad? Let us know. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.